Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Civic headlight bulb is probably one of the most important components for your Honda Civic, as it directly impacts your safety on the road. Choosing the right headlight bulb can dramatically improve your visibility during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions. In this video, we'll dive into the world of headlight bulbs, helping you make an informed decision to enhance your driving experience. Number 5. SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Tired of dim lights? This bulb enhances down-road visibility without causing glare. It's designed to improve your driving experience. Lights dim over time, so replace them in pairs. If one goes out, the other is likely to follow. This ensures the best performance. The XtraVision bulb features a robust design and gas mixture for superior performance. It's built to last and improve your driving situation. This bulb can be used as a high beam, low beam, or fog light replacement. Please confirm the fit for your vehicle using the Amazon Parts Finder. Use the Amazon Part Finder to ensure the bulb fits your vehicle's lighting location. Pay close attention to the position and notes provided for an exact fit. What we like. This bulb offers enhanced down-road visibility without added glare, ensuring a safer driving experience. Its robust design and proprietary gas mixture guarantee reliable performance. If you prioritize safety and want to improve your nighttime driving visibility, you should consider this one. What people say. The light is bright and crisp, making it easier to see the road and stay safe in fog or rain. Installing them was simple, and they fit perfectly without any hassle. The bulbs fit seamlessly into my Prius headlights, without any modifications required. Number 4. Marsauto 9006 HB4 Fog Light Bulbs. Tired of dim headlights? These 9006 bulbs offer a daylight white that provides a more comfortable nighttime driving experience. Your car will instantly get a modern, high-end look. Installation is a breeze with the mini base design. There's no need to modify anything, saving you time and effort. It's designed for easy installation. These bulbs offer higher visibility compared to others. This makes street signs and road lines much more visible, even in bad weather. It helps you see better. Built with ultra-thin chips, these bulbs provide a wider illumination range. This allows you to see more of the road, making driving safer on any road. With a 7-year lifespan, these bulbs are built to last. The aviation heat sink keeps them bright with less loss, even after thousands of hours of use. They're as bright as new, even after long use. What we like. This bulb provides a modern, high-end look with its daylight white color. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for an instant style upgrade and improved visibility, especially in bad weather, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Bright white LED. Easy install. Plug and play fits 2017 Kia Soul high-low beam bulb. They fit perfectly, you just push them right in. Super easy to install. Looks great at night. Not insanely bright so it won't blind other drivers, but I live in the ranch areas and it helps a lot at night where there's no street light. Number 3. Philips H11 Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulbs, 2-pack. These Philips Vision bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure because of their higher quality standards. As the bulbs age, they project less light, reducing visibility. When changing a headlight bulb, it's best to replace them in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam on the road. These bulbs provide significantly wider light to improve comfort and safety while driving. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Always use gloves or a paper towel when handling it. When using the Amazon Part Finder, be sure to confirm the position and notes provided. For some vehicles, it may fit some positions, but not all. The position and notes ensure exact fit. What we like. This bulb meets Department of Transportation requirements, ensuring quality and safety. It offers significantly wider light, improving comfort and safety on the road. If you value safety and want a reliable, high-quality replacement, you should choose this one. What people say. Worked very well, fit and trim was perfect. These work great, and were quite simple to install. Fits perfectly, no faults after 1 month use. Number 2. Philips 9003 Vision Headlight Bulbs, pack of 2. Are you looking for a way to improve your driving safety? These Philips Vision Headlight Bulbs are the perfect solution. They provide enhanced visibility, allowing you to see more clearly on the road. With these bulbs, you can experience up to 30% more vision compared to standard bulbs. This increased visibility helps you see farther and react quicker to potential hazards. It's a significant upgrade for safer driving. These bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements, ensuring quality and reliability. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure thanks to their higher quality standards. Make sure these bulbs fit your vehicle's specific positions, such as fog lights, low beam, or high beam. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the correct fit for your car. The position and notes ensure an exact fit. For optimal performance, always replace your headlight bulbs in pairs. This ensures a symmetric light beam and maintains consistent visibility. When installing, avoid touching the glass to prevent damage. What we like. This bulb allows you to see farther, enhancing safety and comfort by providing up to 30% more vision. It meets Department of Transportation requirements, guaranteeing quality. If you want to significantly improve your visibility and drive with greater confidence, you should consider this one. What people say. When replaced, these bulbs cast a noticeably wider, brighter light than the stock lights, and seem to increase viewing distance. These are noticeably better at night. All functions work properly, DRL, low beam and high beam. Number 1. SYLVANIA 9006 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulbs. Headlights dim over time, and it's important to replace them in pairs. If one bulb burns out, the other is likely to follow soon. Replacing them together ensures optimal performance. These XtraVision bulbs offer enhanced down-road visibility. They are designed to improve your view of the road ahead without causing any added glare for other drivers. The bulbs feature a robust filament design and a special gas mixture. This design allows them to deliver superior performance and reliability on the road. These bulbs are built to last, designed and manufactured for maximum durability. They are made to withstand the rigors of daily driving and improve your driving experience. SYLVANIA has been a leader in automotive lighting for over 100 years. They are trusted by original equipment manufacturers and the aftermarket for their quality and innovation. What we like. This bulb offers enhanced down-road visibility without added glare, ensuring a safer driving experience. Its robust design and proprietary gas mixture guarantee reliable performance. If you prioritize safety and want to improve your nighttime driving visibility, you should consider this one. What people say. Quality is perfect, never been brighter. White in color. No yellow tint. Fit perfect. Nice lights. Good quality. Great. Works great. Doesn't blind others on the road and bright enough so I can see. Great for Honda Civic 2006. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.